We are off to a mostly dry start here in the Delta this morning. Really not seeing much activity at all going on right here on radar over the past couple of hours. Maybe just a few very light isolated showers, but other than that, most locations are off to a dry start. A little bit further northwest, though, a little bit of a different story. Moving through parts of Fort Smith, Arkansas, getting close to Little Rock, Arkansas now. That's a cold front that will continue to move a little bit further to the east as we go through the rest of the morning. As that cold front reaches closer to us, that will leave us with a better chance for some showers and even some thunderstorms. Out ahead of that cold front, though, winds coming out of the south very strong this morning. Southerly winds at 24 miles an hour here in Greenville, 16-mile-an-hour winds right now in Greenwood. So with those strong southerly winds in place this morning, that has kept our temperatures up very high this morning, well above average. 67 in Greenville, 67 in Cleveland, 68 right now in Greenwood, and it's 70 for both Clarksdale and in Batesville. A little bit further south, we have 68 in Jackson, 67 right now in Vicksburg. Right here on our Futurecast view, as we go through the rest of the morning, I think most areas will continue to see these dry conditions remaining in place. A little bit later on, though, by about noon, that's when the conditions will begin to change up a little bit more. By about noon, that leading edge of the cold front should be entering the far northwestern part of the viewing area. And then for the rest of the afternoon, all that activity will continue to drop a little bit farther to the south and to the east. So the yellow that Futurecast is picking up on right here, that's just indicating some heavier rainfall. That's kind of on a line from about Batesville on down to Lake Providence. All that also continuing to shift farther to the east. And I think most areas will be drying out pretty nicely by late evening or close to midnight, but still expecting the chance for a few isolated light showers overnight. Also, as far as rainfall amounts go, I think most areas will stay below a half an inch of rain as this system pushes through. And then for Friday, behind that cold front, we are going to be left with dry conditions for early Friday morning. And that's about how we'll be staying for the rest of the day. Those dry conditions remaining in place really all day long with us on a Friday. On a Saturday, I think mostly dry conditions, really not expecting too much activity to move through the area right now. Temperatures for the rest of the day, going to stay warm, well above average again, 74 for your temperature at noon. Areas a little bit further to the east, though, will stay warmer a little bit longer. It will take that cold front just a little bit longer to reach those areas and drop those temperatures. But once everybody gets behind the cold front, everybody's temperature is dropping down pretty nicely. We are going to stay a lot lower and getting back closer to average for this time of year. Low temperatures tonight should be right around freezing, 32 for your low, mostly cloudy. A few isolated showers are going to be possible tonight, but I think most areas will be staying dry. And then for tomorrow, highs only in the mid-40s, so a big difference for us tomorrow. 44 for your high temperature, partly sunny. Winds coming out of the north at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Then right here on your 7-day forecast, a Saturday 46, partly sunny and dry. Sunday mostly cloudy, 30% chance for some showers on Sunday. 57 for your high temperature on Sunday. Then by Monday and Tuesday, we'll have another system moving through that will leave us with a better chance for some more showers and thunderstorms. High temperatures on Monday back in the lower 60s, staying in the lower 60s for Tuesday.